We are increasingly aware of the global attention and demand for products with enhanced surface protection and have to make choices on a day-to-day basis for our families and clients, paying special attention to the spaces in which we live and work. From kitchens to bathrooms, frequently used surfaces are often subject to moist and humid conditions. This makes them prone to the growth of degrading microbes such as bacteria, mold, and mildew. Today, antimicrobial protection has revolutionized product cleanliness, becoming a key aid in the fight against damaging microbes. This is why Daltile has developed DEFEND, a distinct product line of high-performance porcelain floor, wall, and mosaic tile with Microban protection built in, eliminating up to 99% of bacteria on the surface. DEFEND is designed to promote cleaner spaces and provide a lifetime of cleanliness that does not wash off or wear away. Let's face it, bacteria are everywhere. But unlike disinfectant sprays, this built-in antimicrobial product protection technology actively controls microbial growth on porcelain surfaces and helps extend the effectiveness of regular cleaning routines. The result is a surface which is protected 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here's how it works. Microban disrupts the growth and reproduction of microorganisms that contaminate a treated surface. DEFEND products are infused with this antimicrobial protection, allowing the Microban technology to start working as soon as microorganisms come into contact with the tile. This protects against staining, bad odors, and premature degradation. The benefits. DEFEND products powered by Microban are active 24/7, effective against bacteria, enhanced cleanliness and durability, extended product lifetime, are safe to use, and are food contact approved. DEFEND products are available in today's most popular styles for options to use in any space and have key markets in both commercial and residential areas. With Daltile DEFEND, powered by Microban, you can worry less and live more in spaces you trust. Protect against the invisible.